Hey y'all. Oh man, my nose is itching. This happens every once in a while. I'm not sure why, but the tip of my nose is itching. If y'all ever experienced that, let me know. I guess these people next door is barbecuing and he looking at me like, what is she doing? Okay, let me get my day started. Oh my gosh, I'm behind on these vlogs. I vlogged yesterday and like a couple of days before that, and I have not posted them yet. I only posted one vlog so far. I gotta catch up. Got to catch up. I'm getting ready to go and get my car washed. Let's see, the car washed and Costco's. I feel like I want to do something else. I feel like I need to do something else. I still haven't went to Sephora. I got a feeling I might end up keeping this stuff. I just hate returning items, you know? Even though it is money and I could get a different product, I just don't like going through that hassle. And of course, my hands is ashy. Like always. My hands stay ashy. That's the reason why I love that Bath and Body Works lotion so much, because it's really nice and thick and creamy, and it really, really moisturizes my hands. For as this stuff, this is the Magic in the Air Bath and Body Works lotion, moisturizing lotion. This is cool, but I don't always want a scented lotion, you know, a lotion with the fragrance in it. I don't always want that. And today is another warm day. I cannot wait until spring. The temperature is 55 degrees today. I cannot wait until spring. Spring is my favorite season. I love the season. I love any season like spring and fall, the beginning of fall, when it's not too cold and not too hot. I love it. I love that type of weather where you just have to wear a jacket. But I hope I do not get sick. I am trying to avoid getting sick. I don't want to be sick. Normally around this time, this is when I normally get sick, around February, March. I don't want to be sick. That's why I should have worn my coat, but it is so warm today. It was warm like this yesterday too. But I'm just going up here to Costco's to just grab like some vegetables and some fruit and some hamburger meat, because Costco's is the only place we buy our ground beef at. I used to buy from Dillberg's, the grass-fed beef, which I really, really, really like. But they kept going up on the price, so I just stopped going there. Okay, here we go. We at the car wash, and they, like I said, they are packed. They got 3 lanes, and all the lanes is basically packed. But I gotta get a car wash. My car is so dirty. When it snowed, a truck drove past me and just splashed my car with so much slushy, nasty snow, and so I got all that salt on my car. I really need that $14 one. I'm doing $14.
Please wait while we verify your membership. Thank you. Welcome to our car wash. Please insert cash or card. You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
This thing is packed. Let me show you. go, here we go, here we go. Okay, yeah, let me do this real quick so we can get on to our next mission. Oh my God. Jeez. And I'm extra hot now, y'all. My black ass gonna be sick. Whew. I'm done. I got shit to do. Okay, now to Costco's. Look at all these empty ones now. I don't have no stuff to put on my wheels, so forget that. But I'm happy that my car is cleaned. It's one thing I'm happy about, and now I just need to dust. This is almost dead. I just made it to Costco's, but I'm in the line to get some gas. This line be long as don't know what. Super long. So I'm gonna get some of this gas because it's usually cheaper here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just go in there and get my little few items and be up out of there. Be up out of here. I don't even know how much it costs here. I'm assuming it's probably, my nose finally stopped itching. I'm assuming the gas might be about $1.89 maybe. Get some of this cheap gas for the week. That's one thing I could say is I love Costco's parking. They have the best parking, well, way better than Sam's, way better. The parking spots is wide, and I love that because you don't have to worry about nobody kind of bumping your car. So I love Costco's parking. Yep. Sam's ain't finna give this much space. It look like they give you an extra foot on each side, on both sides of your parking spot, so you don't bump anybody's car and you can open up your doors really wide. I love that. And it looked like it's packed in here. I guess everybody's getting ready for the Super Bowl. And the gas was super cheap. $1.77. In my neighborhood, it's $1.95 or 99, something like that. So saved a little bit. Coming up here, getting my gas and this little other stuff that I'm getting ready to get. The Fancy Fussy, it's okay. To me, it looks better on my lips because I have dark lips. It looks better when I apply it with like a lip liner or on top of a lipstick. That's the only way this look good on me. Other than that, it makes my lips look ashy. I should have wore a hat. But whatever, I'm not gonna be in here long. And of course, I have my Beats on because, you know, my phone is messed up and I can't hear. So, yeah. Let me get my selfie stick. I need to invest in a shorter one. This one is cool because it's kind of long, but I really need to invest in a shorter one so, you know, people won't see me coming with this. And I always take bottled water in here because, you know, they have samples and Most of the time I get the samples. That's the only thing about them. They love giving samples, but they never give you anything to drink, ever. I'm gonna put my jacket back on because I don't want to get sick. Even though it's warm outside, I'm not trying to be sick. And plus, I don't have no pockets. I ain't got no pockets, so I'm gonna put this jacket on so I can have a pocket for my water. And I know I'm shaking, but okay. Okay, this is the ground beef. Let's see which one we're gonna get. I'm gonna get this one. Man, those olives are really good. I think I'm gonna buy some. Best butter ever. It's so packed in here. Gotta leave. Need to find those olives. What is this? Another thing I noticed about Costco is they never have anything like on a markdown. Ooh. Never. At Sam's, you can always find stuff on like clearance or like a I think they call it like a last call. Always. Here, no deals. None at all. Done with my grocery shopping. My car is junky. So, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, like the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Had to come back to close it out because I actually been done. I'm at home. I just forgot to close the video out. So This is me closing the video so I can upload it. Thumbs up, comments, subscribe.